What's up, you guys? It is Sunday, September 20th. I'm going to start trying to vlog or weekly vlog. I'm just, I'm not the best vlogger as of now, but as you continue, I should just continue doing it, and soon it'll just be, it'll be second nature. But anyway, today is a filming day. As you can see, I do not wear makeup unless I'm filming, honey. And that's on what period? It's 8:56, it's 9 o'clock. Only filmed one video today, which was a what's in my bag video, which will be going up today. I'm going to literally, I feel like it won't be much editing, honestly. So I'm going to edit that today, and get it up today. I am going to put everything back in my purse, clean up my filming space right now. I kind of wanted to, I wanted to clean my brushes today as well. And what else do I want to do? Oh, I've been thinking about breakfast. Like, I've been thinking about breakfast all morning, like as I was filming. And actually not really while I was filming, but while I was doing my makeup, I just kept on thinking about my breakfast. And what I want is I want some just egg scramble, I want sausage, and I want some grits. Like, the main thing is grits and maybe a little bit of avocado, to be honest. But yeah, that's what I've been thinking about. Then I wanted a smoothie, like a really, not a banana smoothie. I saw a tweet the other day where it was like, you can have a billion fruits in it, and once you put a banana in it, that thing gonna taste like banana. I don't want it to taste like banana. I want it to taste like just berries, just fruity. Like, that's what I want. About to clean up right here. I'm just gonna put everything up, and then I will show you guys my breakfast. I always say I'm gonna show you guys my breakfast, and I never do, but I'm gonna show you guys my breakfast today. Let's get started. Let's start to clean. So maybe I should start cleaning some of my brushes right now. I put all my brushes into this makeup bag, so it's easy to just clean everything, and then the other one has makeup in it. So I've been blending out my contour with a beauty blender, so like now when I go to clean my beauty blender, like every single side of it is used. So yeah, that's what I might do, but then I'm like, should probably just go ahead and start cooking so that I can cook and then show you guys. But yeah, maybe let's go cook. I don't know. I'll see y'all in the next clip. This is what breakfast is looking like. This is the plant-based eggs, the Beyond sausage, avocado, and some grits. And I'm just gonna add a piece of toast, and that's it. Hey y'all, so I probably look crazy. A little bit later in the day, I'm about to do my makeup. Not do my makeup. Take off my makeup. And I'll let you guys just like kind of come along with it, like see the process. So you guys, I went to Target the other day, and usually I'm always like, I was so obsessed with the Pixie Glow Mist, and I was trying to find it everywhere. I finally got it. It's not my fave, but it's not my it's not the worst. And I was in Target the other day, and they had a lot of different mists. They have the Milky Mist, they have the Glow Mist, they have this Dreamy Mist, and they have a makeup finishing mist. I was about to get the makeup finishing and this one, but I decided just to get this one. This is the Dreamy Mist, Jasmine and Lavender. It's an overnight mist. It's perfect for after your nighttime skincare routine. I'm going to put it on right now after I finish. And it's also good for like aromatherapy. So that's what I was going to mention, is that if you're not a big fan of fragranted stuff, you probably won't like this because the smell is strong, but it's like a calming, soothing type of smell. So I like this. It looks like this. I'm gonna probably go back to that Target because they had so many different sprays that I'm gonna be intrigued in trying. this is what the skincare is looking like. No makeup on. Period. So
guys, my dinner, I'm having some chicken alfredo with some Texas toast. Period.
It's been a few days actually, and right now I'm on my way to McDonald's to try their new spicy chicken nuggets. I'm super excited about this. I've heard that it's better than Wendy's, so the girls are going to test it out. Okay, honey? Oh yeah, I'm on my way to McDonald's right now, but today I'm doing a lot of things. I've gotten a couple packages in the mail, one from K Collection and one from Sephora, so I'll be unboxing that with you guys today. And I've also gotten a few video requests, so I need to like just plan out some of my YouTube content for the next couple of days or weeks, honestly. And yeah, I think that's all I'm doing today. Checking with you guys when we go try these nuggets, okay? Alright, you guys, so I just got the food. Let's see what it's about. Let me get some hand sanitizer because I don't know. Usually when I go to McDonald's, oh, they look good. I'm not even going front, y'all. I don't be doing like food reviews, but let me know if I should start. They look crispy. All right, let's see. Probably should have tried it without it first, right? They are fresh, honey, fresh. The Mighty Hot sauce is really hot. So if you like hot stuff, you probably would like it, but I'm about to go with my, I think it's like, it's not only hot, but the nuggets are really hot too. Alright, you guys, so right now I am about to do some YouTube planning. Like I said earlier, I received a couple requests for like what people want to see. And I also received like a PR package maybe almost 2 weeks ago. So I need to actually plan out that content as well. But this is my YouTube planner. It's from Shop. I'll leave it down in the description box, but it's so helpful. Like, it allows me to do a lot of video planning, monthly planning, a month at a glance. It's really nice. So I'm gonna do some of that, but first I wanted to show you guys my Sephora unboxing. For this I got 3 things. I'm super excited. I got the Brow Wiz in the color dark brown from Anastasia. I'm super excited about using this. I have a video in mind that I'm going to do. And then I also got 2 shades of the NARS Radiant Concealer. I got it in Caramel and I also got it in Walnut. I'm not sure like which one would be the perfect shade for me. Oh, I don't think it's this one. Maybe, I don't know. We will see. So that's Caramel. Let's see what Walnut looks like. Maybe Walnut is my color. Yeah, I don't know. That's it for this box. The second thing, my hair looks crazy, you guys. I'm so ready to take it out, but I got maybe 2 more weeks with this style. But I've been obsessed with Love Island, and they in the style recently collaborated with Shanice Fudge from season 6 of Love Island UK. So I'm excited to be showing you guys this package in an upcoming video, so make sure you're subscribed. Just finish up some planning, but that's it for this vlog. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.